Jabi. In this video, we are going to make hot Dalgona coffee. For this recipe, we need instant coffee powder and milk,
sugar, water, bowl,
and an electrical blender for mixing everything together.
Let's start!
Here, put 3 tablespoons of instant coffee powder. Oops. No, do that. And then the same quantity of sugar. And we need to add 3 teaspoons of room temperature water. Then we need to blend it for some time. When we start beating all this together, start at low speed, then gradually go to high speed.
May I help you, brother?
Yes, you can hold it.
I think I need to add little more sugar.
Here, add some. We got fluffy Dalgona mix. Now we need to add it to the milk.
Brother, I don't know how to add. Can you show me?
Yeah, I'll show you. Wow, we did it! If you like our Dalgona video, like, share, subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Bye! Here, now you do. Let's drink.
Okay.
What happened to your face?
What?
There's mustache.
You also have a mustache. Nice face. Lale,